This question is merge two 2D array by summing value. So let's do this. So you're giving nums1, nums2. The idea is you want to merge two array into one array in ascending order. So return the result array. So for example, nums1 and nums2. So they have the same key, right? So if they have the same key, you want to concatenate the value. So it becomes 1, 6. Alright, next one is going to be 2. Does it have 2? There's no 2. So 2, 3 will by itself. And then 3, there's no 3. So 3, 2 by itself. And then 4, and we have 2 or 4, right? So it's basically concatenate. Alright, let's double check. 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 6. So it's pretty straightforward. So what you need to do is you want to create a list of int array stored in this value, and then you have I pointer, j pointer, right, to traverse the first index, which is going to be the key, and then you concatenate the value later. Let me just stop code and you'll follow along. So int I equal to 0, j equal to 0, and then while I less than nums1 dot length, and also the other two, the other one, j less than. So the idea is you want to know which one is which, right? So nums1 at I equal to nums2 at j. So if a is 0 equal to b is 0, if they have the same key, we need to add, right? So the place we store in is going to be list of in array. I'm going to call it result. Alright, so list of in array is 1D, right? But this is another array, so it's going to be array of array, so it's going to be 2D array. So what you need to do is you want to return, as place called result.to array, and then this is the type you want to initialize. So list to array, and then this is the type, right? 2D array. Alright, so this is how you convert, but that's not that's not my key. So if the key are the same, you want to add. So it doesn't matter it's A0, B0, but the value is going to be A1 plus B1, right? And if this is a moment, you want to increase your I and increase your J, right? So else is there are two conditions, right? And so this is a two condition. You can put else for this one, but it doesn't matter. I want to specify. And then it's going to be result add as A, and then you increment your I, and this is going to be result add B, increment your J. So once we finish, we're supposed to return, right? But this is the end condition. You might traverse the I and left over J, or you might finish the J earlier and I you still have it. So either one of them, that one of these guys doesn't finish, right? So result add nums1 at I plus plus, and well j less than nums2 dot length, and then it's going to be exactly the same thing nums2 at j plus plus. So the order for this does not matter. You can put this in here or vice versa. We just want to finish the rest of the array in the value in the array, right? So submit. Yeah, so let's talk about time and space. Space is going to be this guy. So total is going to be what? N plus M, right? And then the time is going to be this one. This is going to be what? The minimum between nums1 and nums2. So all of the minimum between N, comma, M. And you traverse the rest of it. So this is the first solution that requires you to code this entire thing. Second solution is using the tree map. So tree map will actually sorted by the library, right? So I don't care about my nums1. I just traverse my nums nums1 into the map. So map.put nums at 0 plus nums at 1 should be nums. Alright, so when I traverse the nums2, I basically check, do I have it in my map? So map.contain nums at 0. If a key is in the map, I'm just update, right? So map.put map at 0, map.get the original value plus the current value, nums at 1. If not, then we do the same thing, right? So once we finish the value are stored in a map, we need to return the integer to the array, right? So again, I can use this one. And return result to array and to the array new. So since the map is already sorted, I don't need to traverse. So I only need a key, map.key set. I just say result.add new int. So it's gonna be key, comma, map.get key. So this should be everything, right? Oh, where is it? Contains key. Submit. Cool. So definitely you can, since we already know the size of the map, right? I believe you can just create a 2D array int and then return. But this is actually easier for me to type it, but whatever. So let's talk about time and space. Space is going to be, time is going to be this one and this one. This is all of k, this is all of m, this is all of n, right? But the problem is you want to sort every single time. So the worst case will be n log n, right? So n is going to be the worst case, either between all of nums1 or nums2. It determine which one you want to find out which one is the longest one. So the longest one is going to be the worst case. Space is going to be this one, m plus m. You definitely need to store every single value in there if they are all distinct. So this is the solution, and see you later. Bye.